Today we are going to Lowco Cars and Coffee, which is literally about fucking ages away from me. We're going to be travelling a hell of a while to get there from where I live, but hopefully it's going to be sick. So today is the Saturday. We've booked a hotel down in Newark, which is where the show is. We're going to be stopping there for the night, but first we've got to go down to Manchester and find a new car. Now obviously it's not for me, because the Golf is like my dream car and I'm never getting rid of the bastard. But we might be looking at a Cupra 300, which is stage 1. And it's just fucking for the missus. So, let's get on with it. I know I've said let's get on with it twice, but I'm still in the house. So if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm sorry for the shitty intro. Let's get the fuck on the road. Peace. We made it to Manchester. She's looking fresh. On the floor, as per usual. Should we go have a little chat with them?
Yeah, no, we don't. Do you know what? Cupras, they come in and go out. We sold 3 today.
Really?
It's just non-stop with Cupras, yeah.
To be fair, it's been between Cupras and Golf Cars.
Yeah.
Ginger! What did you think of your car?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like this one though.
Sounds no, it's not like this one. But at the same time, I think I kind of prefer that. Because then we don't have the exact same car.
What did you say? You said something like, oh, my friends doesn't feel like that. Are you on about this one? Or are you on about your actual friends?
No, my actual friend. Who have a back.
I thought you were just like dissing me on the sly, going, oh my.
No, because yours feels like fucking ringing because you've got the airbags. So it's just fucking.
Yeah, shut up. No. That's the price. That was a very long drive, wasn't it, Ginge? Yeah. That. My lord. You know what? Considering we've just driven like 5 hours, the car's held up pretty nicely, actually. I'll accept that. Anyway, let's go fucking get a room. I'm fucked. About to have the best night's sleep of my life. Air-conned room. Come on.
Probably not.
What do you mean, probably not? We're not stopping in the bando. It's like a fucking horror game, this. It's like a little girl in a white dress about to just attack from over there. And we've got a perfect view of McDonald's. That is a motive. We're going to see the chicken, the wonderful chicken of Newark.
I don't want a burger.
Yeah, same actually. I've never seen a bigger KFC bag in my life.
And the urge just came back.
How did we get in here then? How did we get in here then, bloody hell? I'm a little bit tipsy. Just basically twatted my head off a ceiling, pretty much.
Oh, it's up there somewhere.
Why are you spooning a fucking window, man?
Oh, there's a spider. It's gone now because I spooned it.
You spooned it? There's a ghost inside my child. What's this about then? Well, I hope the ghost has a riveting time. Nom 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 nom.
Like, can you not when we're in a road?
Okay.
Honestly.
Sexual. We're going to the show now. I can't be arsed, I'm fucking shattered.
Oh, good knows about that bastard fan.
We both kept. I know. Fucking nightmare, that fan. It's just started revving.
I was about to show it what taking off really was and chuck it out the fucking window.
We found fellow showgoers. We're going in, my friend. I need to stop with that voice. That's all I've done for the past fucking hour now.
Oh, fuck me.
What? is are inbound. Fresh. We've got some lovely neighbours. What? I'm turning you into a detailer slowly. Go on.
Do a better job than you now.
What? She's dissing. She's dissing me.
Shouldn't I have to do this in the first
And have you ever wondered why my car's always so clean? Window cleaner, mate. It does the fucking job. Trust me. Any job can be done by a window cleaner and a ginger. Come on, front needs done. That was fucking joke. Class. This car looks like it would taste really refreshing in a milkshake. Look at that. Thought I'd go down a treat with a hangover, wouldn't it?
That looks lovely.
The temptation to do a 0 to 60 fucking drag race on this airstrip. 100,000 likes and we'll do it. Look at the stretches on that there. And we're not even home yet for another hour and I don't feel human. Saw Chloe. What was that?
Which closed the door on my arm.
Well done. I kind of fancy some munch, but I don't think it should be a Burger King.
God, no.
Getting a Monster Roll.
I've died.
You've died.
I've died.
Oh no. I think I'm going to end this one here anyway. We're just fucking literally just going to go home and probably pass out and watch Jurassic Park, which is the always motive, whatever that means. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Peace. Look at the little ginger. Look at her talking to herself, Kant. What's she doing, man? What's she doing, Kant? What are you doing, Kant?
I'm in so much pain.